I'm here, but I don't have fraps.
We have a rogue that can go out there with fraps and record.
Are we killing this berserker?
It's a pet, it looks like. Do we have somebody resin call?
He ran off. He, like, I don't know, his corpse is here, dragged it in. But, yeah, he was already here. He ran off.
I know he's bound just outside, so he probably just ran in to go check.
Yeah, he's still cutting around stalled like crazy right now.
Okay, I'm running for apps. I got him doing it. It's no big deal. Yep. Definitely have him song.
Oh, you got this recorded?
Oh, yeah.
Keep all slang and downgrade comments out of chat, please. That's not going to help our cause.
He just wiped me. He just fought them on me.
Well, you got that on fraps at least, huh?
Yep, I sure do. I got that on props too.
Boy, what happened?
Flopped him on me to wipe me. Someone grab my course and drag it back real quick, please.
Can the rogue get him, please? I don't run up there and help him flop on me.
Got it. We got smoke.
Yeah. Who do I need to consent?
Got smoke. Rekka, consent me as well. I don't see your corpse smoking.
It's like right in the dead center.
Oh, I see. Yeah, you're one hidden by the way.
What's Call doing? He ran off. What's Call?
I just ran outside to get a spiritual wolf. I'm zoning back in.
Somebody res smoking on? This is maybe the most blatant stalling I've ever seen on a. Like,
Are they still just running it around?
Oh yeah, they're just running in a circle.
Can we get up on red so we can get back to recording it? Is that happening?
I'm recording it now. I got a giant. Someone come get this giant off me, please.
He's been clipped.
I got the chick.
Okay, I'm coming in.
not going to say anything anymore, but that somebody texted me, or not texted me, sent me a tell from Riot asking what the hell's going on.
Just tell him to talk to Carl.
Yep, Carl's here. He's the guild leader. He's the man to handle it. Don't get into it with him, mate.
He might be drunk. It may be better to send him to absent.
No, I'm here. I can talk to anybody. No one sent me a tell.
Okay, good. I wasn't sure if you were hammered or not.
No. He wasn't mean or nasty. He was just asking what was going on, and I figured I'd just stay out.
Come some intel, I'm hammered.
I responded, just please talk to Call.
All I got to say is I'm happy to be in a guild like this because the short time I've been here, y'all are respectful, and I would not be in a guild like that, and I don't know why people.
I'll tell you, in 3 years of leading raids on this server, I have never seen any guild be so blatantly fucking asinine, and I can't apologize for them personally, but it just it just really sucks that this type of shit is going on right now. And I am in tells right this very second with Minden, and this is fucking, I cannot believe this shit. So let's just try and get buffed up and focused. And I don't know for sure what's going on, but let's just maybe, for whatever chance, if we can get a clean FT, we are not going to break any rules. We're not going to pull it off them. If we just don't kill Vindi and we all waste our time, we are going to do that over breaking the rules, regardless of how shitty these guys are being. So
I don't know. This is the kind of shit that TMO was pulling there towards the end.
Honestly,
Yep. I said, I don't care how shitty they get. We have never broken a raid rule in 3 years, and I don't want to start right here, right now, regardless of how shitty they're being. So for now, let's just hang out at the zone line. Let's get buffed up. Let's get ready. I will update you guys as soon as I hear back from fucking Gallup and Minden, which I am talking to right now.
To be honest, I can't even wrap my mind why they would risk a guild-wide raid ban or even raid suspension over fucking Vindicator, who spawns every 8 hours and drops like okay loot.
Yeah, because that's just how they operate.
It's just how they are, man. That's the type of people they are. That's the type of guild that they want to be.
It's what I'm getting at.
I do apologize.
To risk a guild-wide raid suspension or even raid ban.
He's coming down. Who is he on?
Yeah, Vindi is on his own coming down the ramp.
Yep, they're gonna try again here. So let's, like I said, let's just keep it.
It's on them, yeah.
Yep, stand up.
Nobody DPS, nobody heal, don't do shit. Let them wipe.
They're gonna
I
wipe
do.
again. They don't have enough.
I do apologize for my comment. No, see, they just.
Nah, they have 24 in zone, dude. We've killed it with 24 before.
Yeah, it happens. You just definitely don't want to go AWOL on them in OMC. Yeah, I don't know if they're gonna wipe.
I didn't do any sharp curses or anything like that, though. Just so I didn't go too far, but I do apologize for that.
It's alright, I blame Hendrix.
Guys, let's just chill out. Minden and Gallic are coming into the zone right now, so let's just sit here. Let's make sure that we don't do anything wrong. Make sure that we haven't fucked anything up. If anyone has any sort of fraps that is mildly, important to this, get it loaded up onto YouTube.